Hi everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to introduce you to one of the new die sets in my City Holiday collection with Spellbinders. So in this video, we're looking at the Christmas Cracker die set. I do have other videos taking a look at other products in this collection, and I encourage you to check them out if you haven't yet already done so. So this die set features a fun Christmas cracker die, along with embellishments, foliage, Christmas foliage to help you decorate the Christmas cracker. I'm trying to get my Christmas cracker die out of the storage, out of the craft stacks. So the Christmas cracker has several pieces. There's the outer die, and then there is a decorative insert, a drop-in. And you can cut these from different colors of cardstock and layer together. You also have this piece to add decorative little pieces at the very end of your cracker. And then there is this die set with the ties and the little bows, and you can add those right here. I have die cut the bows from red cardstock. I'm not going to add the ties to this one. I just want to add the bows, but you can add the ties as well. Now this center area on the cracker right here, if you have a sentiment that's small enough, you can fit a sentiment right there, or you can fit additional embellishments or decorations right there. I kept mine free for the most part, but like I said, we all have so many sentiments in our stash. You definitely can add something in the center there. There's also this fun little die, and this can be used as a garland or as a little pull tab for the Christmas cracker. Up to you how you want to use it. Other dies in this set include a Happy Holidays sentiment banner and a whole bunch of Christmas foliage that you can use again with the cracker or separately on other cards to embellish other pieces. Let me quickly show you some card ideas that I have created using this die set. So first up, I have this fun little card with a Christmas cracker, the Happy Holidays sentiment banner, and of course the foliage. The background here is created using the molded frame embossing folder from my previous collection, and this is an A2 card. The Christmas cracker die set works best on A2. I did not intend it for 5x7, but you definitely can use it on larger size cards if you want. Here is another card where I have 3 Christmas crackers, and this is a traditional Christmas color combination. I have red, green, and white. So I have the 3 Christmas crackers plus have a holly jolly Christmas sentiment in the center there, and again, some foliage. So this is a simple and fun card to make. And then the last card I have for you today is this one. So I have a mirror gold Christmas cracker. The bows here, these come from the City Holiday die set. So the little bow dies are interchangeable. These are the bows that come with a Christmas cracker, and these are the different bows from the City Holiday die set. So you can pick which ones you want to use on your card. So I also have the foliage, I have the garlands here at the very bottom, and then again, I have the sentiment that reads, "At Christmas time and all year through, so thankful to have great friends like you." And this is foiled and done on the indigo card front, and the whole card base is also made from indigo cardstock. And I also have some white dots added to the background using a jelly roll pen from Sakura. So this is how this card was done. So again, these are the cards featuring the cracker. I also have some cards to show you. And if you've seen my other videos from this collection, you might have already seen these cards, but it doesn't hurt to show them again. So this card shows the Shadow Joy with the foliage from the Christmas cracker. This one, again, shows the Christmas, the layered joy or the Shadow Joy with additional foliage. And then even this card shows the sentiment, the joy die, and then the holly leaves and the little berries. The little berries are very cool in this die set because you actually have 2 pieces to die cut the berries. Let me show you real quick. Okay, So you have this piece, this would be the background piece, and then you have this piece, this would be the top piece. When you cut the two pieces, you want to make sure you cut them from contrasting color of cardstock. Here, for example, I cut this piece from red, and then the top piece was cut from white, so that the opening that I have here, because you can see that there is an opening, so you can see red cardstock through the opening. Here, I did not add a shadow to these berries. I just die cut the top layer. And then on this card, I die cut the main layer from white cardstock and then the top layer from red so that you can see white through the opening in the berries. So this is a little, a little trick, a little tip on how to best use these dies from the Christmas cracker set. So this is a look at the Christmas cracker die set from my city holiday collection with Spellbinders. I hope you have found this video useful. I have links to this product and all the other products from my collection in the video description below, along with the photos of these cards on my blog. And again, there's a link to the blog in the video description below. Thanks so much for joining me today for a look at the Christmas cracker die set. Love you guys, and I'll be back again soon with more product showcase and inspiration.